All right, carrier package unit, no heat call. I'm bringing you in while we have heat. I've got a key to the building, but I can't get into the manager's office where this thermostat is. This unit had a bad gas valve. It was replaced, I don't know, 3 weeks ago, a month ago. Then they had an issue where there was no heating and the thermostat had gone bad, Honeywell remote sensor thermostat. So we replaced it. Now it's been another week and a half and we got no heating. So I haven't been able to get inside, but when I got here, I haven't reset anything. I had solid red light, which was normal operation, which means my fuse wasn't blown. But by all appearances, all I had to do was jump to W1 and I got heat. So either the thermostat's bad again, or there's something going on in the programming or something. Let's see what we can see. All right, so the boss is back. I just went downstairs and verified thermostat is set for calling. It says equipment is on. Dang. So this is like the worst of scenarios, and here's why. It's working. So, sorry guys, from C to W, we got 24 volts. So, we weren't off on any sort of safety. We weren't off on any sort of safety. And now the system will work. I think there's a maximum run cycles on that thermostat. And I think it was 25 degrees yesterday, just like it is today. And it hit its number of cycles and it shut down. The thermostat wouldn't allow it to run. So I don't know how to get around that. Let's get into the settings and see. Heard. All right, check this out, man. I missed the simple one. I've had this thing jumped out for an hour. And it still says it's 59 out here. Like, there's no way. It's a 15-ton heater. We're killing it, but no. This room is still freezing cold. And we got massive air, but it is not warm. The freaking economizer, I bet. I bet his dampers are open. His dampers are open. And he's bringing in 25-degree air. Back to the roof. There you go. So there's no designated makeup air on this building. These Dairy Queens don't believe in that. So they just use two filters need to be changed. But yeah, we're bringing in 25-degree air into the building. So let me get the screwdriver and adjust. There's a maximum and a minimum. Oh, look, that thing's busted out. This doesn't even work anymore. Somebody's monkeyed with that and made it gone. So this doesn't even adjust. Ew. So I need to replace this economizer controller. For now, I'm going to manually close them. We're going to pull the building out of balance, but maybe I can make it up on the kitchen. All right, we've gone from 56 to 63. Now we're running. I manually adjusted those dampers to close them, and I'll get a new economizer, mechanical control, and temperature probe so that we can get it back to proper function. But yeah, now it's feeling good out here.